test solubility of silver salts in nitric acid. The test tube on the right is filled with sodium carbonate, dissolved in tap water. The test tube in the middle is filled with sodium sulfate, dissolved in deionized water. And the test tube on the left is filled with sodium chloride, dissolved in deionized water. The salt in each test tube is dissolved in water to become a clear and colorless solution. After adding silver nitrate solution to the sodium carbonate's test tube, a dirty white precipitate appears. After adding silver nitrate solution to the sodium sulfate's test tube, the solution remained clear and colorless. And after adding silver nitrate solution to the sodium chloride's test tube, a white precipitate appears. The dirty white precipitate is silver carbonate. The solution in sodium sulfate's test tube remains clear and colorless. And the white precipitate is silver chloride. The test tube containing the silver carbonate precipitate is added with dilute nitric acid solution. The test tube containing sodium sulfate and silver nitrate is added with dilute nitric acid solution and remains clear and colorless. And finally the test tube containing silver chloride precipitate, when added with dilute nitric acid solution, the solution remains with milky white precipitate. The test tube on the right is filled with sodium carbonate, deionized water, and silver nitrate solution. The test tube appeared with dirty white precipitate. After adding the dilute nitric acid solution, the solution immediately became clear and colorless. With this observation, try to explain why there are different results when sodium carbonate is dissolved in tap water and deionized water respectively.